Yeah. It looks like my ES long got hit. So let me see if I can actually get another one. See if I can just limit in right here. Probably like 75. If not, then I mean that's okay. That's fine. If we can limit into this. But we're already in the Nasdaq already, so if you don't get the ES, don't get a scale in with the ES again, then that's fine. No, investors. Remember what I said last night? My ES trade already got hit. As crazy as that sound. I was in right here at the bottom. It got hit. So right now, the strategy that I'm going for or I'm moving forward with is trading the ES and then having the Nasdaq as a I guess for extra profits. I'm not going to go as heavy in the Nasdaq as I'm going to go in as heavy as the ES. But you know I can't leave her. You know I can't leave her. But we're just going to start making this easy money in the ES. I mean, the Nasdaq can do whatever the hell she wants, but the ES is already telling me that she's ready to go a little bit higher, potentially probably up here to 395. I'm probably not going to get that scale in, and I'm not going to chase the ES either. Man, you know what, man? I'm not going to chase the ES. I know better than that. No better than to chase the ES. Yeah, I know better than to chase the ES. I know better than that. I know better than that. That's not the Nasdaq. But obviously they are buying right here though. You can see that they're buying at this range. But I know better than to do that. All right, man. All right. We're in. We're in this ES trade. I bought into the stops of these bears. We can potentially see a move all the way back up here. So that's what I'm betting on. That's what I'm betting on right now. I mean, I don't think it comes down. It could. But this is the ES. This ain't the Nasdaq or nothing, so this thing is going to keep going up. Until it reaches supply, which it potentially could be this 200 EMA right here. We could see some pushback here, but we'll see. We'll see. All right. All right, so we're doing good in this Nasdaq trade though. We're doing really good in this Nasdaq trade. We're up $700. How you liking it so far? Well, shit. Well, thanks for reminding me because I need to make sure that I'm actually utilizing this damn tool that I pay for every damn month and I don't even use it. Hmm. Save 35%, huh? $77. Hmm. $777. Hmm. So you're looking at the Qs though? I mean the gamma is still negative, but uh I think the market is trying to at least make a retracement back up at least. I mean, I don't think that we see like a reversal or nothing. But hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah, these gamma levels are definitely helpful. There's been plenty of times where the market literally bounces at a gamma level and we see like a reversal back up to highs or lows or whatever. And that's why you don't chase the ES. This is why you don't chase the ES. Mhm. All right. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave that right there. I think that I'm just going to have to kind of stop dots right there. So these little stop dots are definitely useful on the ES. Not so much the Nasdaq. But they hold true on the ES. Everything holds true on the ES. All indicators work really well on ES. ES is the most liquid instrument, one of them. And ES has no choice but to trade structurally. Unlike the Nasdaq, I mean it's high, it has a lot of liquidity in it, but it's not as liquid as the ES. So the Nasdaq can just move freely. All right, let's look at gold. All right. So I think gold is going to start trending down. We do got VWAP right there. Yeah, I mean, unless, yeah, I don't see a point. Yeah, I don't see a point for gold to go up if they're already kind of locking out these highs and they locked in their stair stepping it down. All right, so all right. Keep on pushing, NQ. Keep on pushing. Let me look at the ES real quick. I should probably take this, honestly. I should probably take it. Nah.
Connection lost.
Don't be scaring me like that, Ninja Trader 8. Damn. Damn. Looks like I should have took some profits at these highs. Damn. Right back to the break even. Right back to the break even. Okay. You say you closed in that push up and got positive slippage? Which are you trading TPT? Of course you are. Never mind. Of course you are. What else would you be trading? Looks like I should have took the profits on that Nasdaq trade, huh? It's like I should have took the profits. Okay. All right, I'm kind of locked in this ES trade now. Let me kind of reduce my risk on this. I guess that's why you don't go chasing the ES. Don't go chasing waterfalls. But damn, dude. Damn. Well. We do got power at 12:30. We do got power at 12:30. So maybe people are trying to prepare for the Powell pump, I guess. Yeah, that's my fault. I shouldn't have chased. I shouldn't have damn chased on the Nasdaq or an ES. It's my fault. It's my fault. I shouldn't have chased. I love the indecision at my break even though. Love it. Keep on pumping. Keep on pushing. Dang, both the Nasdaq and the ES are doing the same thing to me right now. Both are at my break even right now. You can't make this stuff up, man. Both of them rejected perfectly at my break even. Perfectly. That is crazy. Perfect rejection at my break even. Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Mm. Mm. All right. Mm. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. Mm. Of course, man, of course. Of course. Mm. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, the trend is yeah. Yeah. Mm. 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 What's the trade you don't take? It's always the trade you don't fucking take, dude. What's up with that? Always the trades you don't take. Hmm. I mean, would it be absolutely crazy to go long here on gold? You can't short this thing. Well, I guess there's my answer right there. I can't short this thing. Hmm. Fuck it, man. Can't short gold right now. Fuck it, right? Well, I mean, I kind of, I kind of know better, but I'm gonna hold through this. I'm gonna hold through it. I'm gonna hold through it. Mm. Mm. Well, I knew better. I thought the Nasdaq would push through it, but I know better than that. I know better than that. I know better than to fight against that 200 EMA. Honestly, I don't remember which one is which. Oh, okay. Okay. So it has to be one day. Always has to be one day. One of these freaking days, man. Mm. Mm. All right. Okay. Okay. So it's obvious that, all right, man. Whatever, man. It was a negative gamma. I should have known. Should have known. Of course, the Bears are going to, yeah, of course. All right. Okay. Okay. Well, that account is gone. Mhm. You know, honestly, it would just be my luck. I mean, here I am trying to go long the entire fucking session. And then all of a sudden now the market wants to go, God damn, oh my God, dude. Now the market wants to go fuck, you know what? Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever. Now the market wants to go long now, right? Wow. Now the market wants to go long. Now the market wants to go long. Yeah. I could be mad at this, but I'm just not going to. It's not even worth my energy right now. It's not even worth it. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the ES real quick. Mm. Mm. Well. Mm. Mm. Yeah, I'm noticing that too. All right, so I guess I can't win today. I guess I'm not supposed to win today. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Guess I ain't supposed to win today. Mm. Guess your boy ain't supposed to win today, huh? I guess I ain't supposed to win. You know what? Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever. Whatever, man. Whatever, dude. All right. Whatever. Yo, congratulations on that, Alfred. How did you win? What did you have to do to get it? Um, at what time did they drop the code? Honestly, what was the code? Oh, free two step. I mean, shit. I mean, the worst thing you can do is for it. So what is it? Uh, congratulations on all those that got one though. Idiot. Excuse me. Mm. You know who else hates trading the Nasdaq? My mom. Nice. 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 Mm. Shit. Now I gotta put I guess now I gotta have MFF in the background because it's highly likely, honestly, it's very highly likely that they're gonna do the same thing that Top Step did and just start dropping codes and shit. Mm. Yeah. That's a short on gold. That looks like that's just locked out. That looks like it's locked out. Like we're going to see a flush in gold now. I mean, obviously the short is up here, obviously, but I'm in the sim, so it's not necessarily. I'm not looking for the best entry, just looking for an entry. I blew my account, so you know the crazy thing is I was up $3,500 in that shit and just blew it. Of course, I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know how I did it, honestly. I don't know how. I mean, obviously, I didn't stop out or nothing. So I mean, obviously that played a big part of it, but it just seemed like nothing wanted to work for whatever reason. And now that I'm not in an eval right now, it seems like shit is working. What's up with that? What's up with that? We're gonna make it. Hey, yo, what's up, Game Wave? What's up? Started off green, but it didn't end that way. It did not end that way at all. Oof. I mean, you just said it. It's in the name. It's the Powell pump. We don't know the Powell dump. It's the Powell pump. It's in the name. Pumping the market is all Powell knows how to do. What happens after the pump? Hey, that's not his problem. As long as he hits the street with that pump, that's all that matters. I remember one day they say that the Powell pump was weak, so he came back and hit us with another one. We had 2 Powell pumps in the same day. He was like, "Oh, they said my Powell pump was weak out here." Bet. Hit him with another one. Hit him with another one. And from that day forward, we didn't question the Powell pump. We didn't question it. We know it's coming. You say you've been long at 605 and you got your stop at 585? 605. Oof. Nice. Nice. Yeah, I think, dude, come. Yeah, I think that's a good area right there. Yeah, you got your stop right underneath this range. So this range should hold right here. It should hold. You know, honestly, I was thinking about, dang, why did I put a trailing stop on this ES ES ATM strategy? But good thing I did, because I gotta remind myself that this ain't the Nasdaq, this the ES. She will pull back. Do not chase her. She's one of them girls on social media that like to call guys creeps. Say, stop stalking me. You chase her, she'll run away. The Nasdaq loves when you chase her, though. She loves it. Not the ES. I mean, so far, I mean, we got a decent entry if this thing holds. I mean, so far we up for like 5 points so far. And that's good on the ES. It's really good. But I do got this scale in right here just in case. Just in case it does want to pull back a little bit more and tap into this area of liquidity. In case it wants to tap into this little range right here. So you long at 536? Yeah, 536. Yeah, that was a good entry, man. That's a great fucking entry. Shit. Hold on, you said 536? Oh, you must be talking about on the NQ. I mean, we could see it. I mean, if the Bears can hold 640, then we can see a move down if they can hold it. But I mean, I do see this range between like 620 and 600. I mean, the bull, actually, let me just go to the other chart. Yeah, like right here. Actually, yeah. Okay. I got this range drawn on this chart too. Yeah, like 620, 611, like 620 or something. Yeah, right there. So about like 610, 600. I mean, if they can hold this range, then we could see it move back up. But if they don't hold this range, there's nothing but stops underneath this range. So and just be mindful of that. You got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got 4 layers of stops right here. So we're going to want the bulls to hold this because, I mean, shit, if you want to count this one as well, it's about like 5 layers of stops. There we go. 5 layers. If we tap into this, then we could see a move down. We could see a move back down to probably your entry gain weight. We can probably see a move back down to about 560. All right. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So if the ES can hold this little range right here, then I'm good. If not, then I'm not good. So the Nasdaq and the ES, I mean, it should be no surprise to nobody. It should be no surprise, but they're in the same situation right now. Either they hold or they fold here. Watch out for a wick. Watch out for a wick underneath this low right here. If they kind of wick down and push back up, you know that's a trap. We're gonna make it up. All right. It looks like the scaling is about to pay off because I'm probably going to get my stop's going to come up. He had it at 605. He closed the ad. 685 is your TP. Yeah, that's a good TP. I think so. Because I think looking at my other chart, like a range between the bulls got to get over 695, but then they also have to get over 725. 725 might just be that level because apparently we rejected from it. They sold it. We have a short squeeze above it. They went underneath it and then they sold it again. They sold it and then they sold the retest. And then from 725, we got this move down. So, I mean, if we can get above 695, I think we squeeze above 725 and we can probably get to like 755, 775 without Powell. I mean, if we get that Powell pump, you know, we could probably going back up to 19K or something crazy like that. All right. Now we're going to get that Powell pump. There we go, baby. There we go. In the ES, we up, baby. We up. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, we up, baby. Perfect entry, baby, on the scaling. All right, let's see if we can get see if we get this second target hit. Let's see if we can get this second target hit. I mean, that's gonna be frustrating though. That's gonna be frustrating to see. Well, shit. Let's see if we can get in. So I mean, let's see if we can kind of get in. We can scale back in. This easy ES money. That's why it's called easy money. It's not called the ES. It's called easy money. It's called easy money. All right. Well. All right. It's called easy money. All right. So we need price to get to at least 81. I mean, I do see this double top here, but I don't think they bout nothing. We got a two-legged pullback into support, and they're gonna at least they want to at least probably retest this high right here, potentially. Mm. And they're going hard at this range. They're going hard at this range. These bears are going super hard at this range, but I'm going to be confident in this long. I mean, we got support right here. We got a range right here. We got price finding support right there. Yeah, if we can see a push and a pullback, you can definitely see something like that. Yeah, okay. So I mean, from now on, I'm just going to all my trades, ES, and just have the Nasdaq complement. Like I'm not going to be no more. I mean, we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. And if you thought trend lines were important on the Nasdaq, these things are hella important on the ES. You see a trend line break, you trade in that direction. There is no ifs, ands, or buts about it. You trade in that direction. I'm not gonna lie, all these wicks are so ugly. And this is an 1800 tick chart on the ES. This is actually higher than I normally trade on the ES, and these wicks are horrible. Ugly. Ugly wicks. All right, so let's see if the market is going to hold this trend line right there. Let's see if it's going to hold. We do got these stop dots here on the ES. We got these stop dots, so we'll see if price is going to respect it. It's no surprise that price stopped perfectly at that box. It's no surprise right there. And look at price going right back up into that trend line. So we'll see if this thing holds right here. We'll see. I mean, right now, I think what we only had 2 points of drawdown so far. Seven ticks a stop. You have a 7-tick stop gain weight. Oh, well, I guess you trade heavier size. Yeah. Okay. I was like, man, that is super aggressive. Unless that's a target. Unless you're talking about a 7-tick target, which no, that can't be a 7-tick target. That's like only 2 points. Oh, 7. Oh, that's for the trail. All right. So looks like we held at least on the Nasdaq. Yeah. And there it goes. That's actually what I was talking about watching out for. That wick underneath this low. Nasdaq, we know you by now. We know you by now. You do the same shit. I still don't understand. Even though I know she does the same shit all the time, I really don't know how I still blow my accounts. I really don't. It blows my mind sometimes. It really does. Literally, we talked. Oh crap! The fuck? Seriously? The hell? Anyway, we literally talked about this wick underneath this low before it happened, and it did exactly that. And you got that move up. Nasdaq. Yeah. All right, so we do that shit for real, man. Mm-hmm. All right. All right. So I mean, if you took this ES trade with me, shit, you only took 2 points to draw down. I think the profitability on the ES is probably better than the Nasdaq. I think we just get caught up in the or let me rephrase that. I think I just get caught up in the fast moving, but or the fast movement. But we got to make it. Yo, man. All right. Take us to the promised land, ES. Take us to the promised land. I definitely will keep a trailing stop on the ES. I'll definitely keep a trailing stop on the ES. 9 times out of 10, that trailing stop is going to get hit before it hits my target. This ain't the Nasdaq. But I understand that the ES don't necessarily play with her levels neither. All right, so we got that dump in gold that I was looking for. But it would have been better if I just had that my short at the area where I was looking at. But they bounced it right there. So if I still had this position 22, yeah, it just would have missed me by 2 points because my targets would have been up here somewhere. So it would have just missed me. I think we're gonna probably see a move down in gold. I think we'll see. We'll see. All right, ES, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, yes. Hmm. So you think you're gonna move your stop up? I mean, if they can hold it looks like they're holding 650. If they can hold that, then that'll probably be the right thing to do. And I think this is the one thing that I hate the most about ES. This is the one thing that I hate the most about ES is that you think the Nasdaq will come back for your freaking for your break even. The ES loves doing that shit. But it did hold this range though. I mean, shit, it dropped at this range perfectly. Hmm. It touched this range perfectly. They're hitting my stops. They're hitting my stops. Mm. Do want to point out that they still respecting this range right here. They're still respecting that range. It's too. And ES is still respecting this trend line. Still respecting it. Still trying to buy it from them. So when I see all this bearish aggression and no follow through, That only means one thing: engineering liquidity. And that goes for both sides of the market. You see a lot of aggression, no follow through. The only thing that I envision is just all the engineered liquidity being built up above these highs so that when price touch, we can see big moves like that. I think this right here is a really good example of what I'm talking about. All the people that was shorting right here, you got price shooting up, coming right back to the entry, and then shooting right back up again. Engineered liquidity. The market is like, fine, if nobody wants to have the market take their money, we'll just manipulate the market just enough so that it can move to where we want it to go. And again, ES bounced right at that trend line too. They bounced right at that trend line. All right, so I'm going to get, let's see, we see a stop run. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a stop run candle going higher from here. Stop run candle, engineered liquidity. Engineered liquidity, stop run candle. All right. Oh, you were able to get back into this? Stop run city, baby. Engineered liquidity, baby. Look at that stop run. We talked about this shit before it happened. That's why price action is always king. Don't let nobody try to sell you no indicators when all you gotta do is look at your charts and let the market tell you what it's gonna do. Engineered liquidity, baby. They're hunting my stops. They're hunting my stops. All right. All right, so let's see if we can get price to come back up into this range right here. Let's see. Hey, yo, what's up, Mohammed? Look at that. Stop run city, baby. Stop run city. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Stops getting ran. Hey, yo, what's up, Mohammed? I started off good. I lost my account in that drop, and I'm in the sim, and now I'm doing good again. So, overall, I'll give today like a 9, like a 5 or a 6. 5 or a 6. All right, let's hit that first target. I mean, I think we're up like about what, 80 points right now? 66 points. All right. Yeah. You're in this too, Griff? Let's hit that first target, baby. There we go. There we go, baby. There we go. There we go. Engineered liquidity, baby. Engineered liquidity. You out? Yo, good job, man. You're in one micro? That's why it's important to pay attention to the charts. Pay attention to the context of the market. If the market ain't going down, yeah, we already know what's going up. And vice versa. Oh shit, that means I got my ES trade hit too. Damn. 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 Yo, hey, that trend line on ES was very pivotal. And look at that shit hit the fib level perfectly, man. This thing went fib to fib. It went fib to fib. 50 points. It went fib to fib. Yeah. Yep. Yep. You know, grip can trade. Like, I get disappointed with myself when I do that same shit, man. When I start overthinking about it, and it's just trying to be cute, trying to overthink it, or not trying to overthinking it, actually overthinking it. Man, this shit does the same thing every day. I don't know why. Like, I was telling myself this in the gym this morning, and I was like, dude, why are you afraid if they're going to change up the market if you figure this shit out? The market has been the same for the last 20, 30, 50, 1 million years. The market has not changed. The only thing that's changed about this market is how they do things the same way. Instead of having humans do the same things, they got bots that do the same thing. I mean, the market does the same shit every day. And yet I sit here thinking that the market is going to do something different because, oh, Powell's talking. Or Trump says something about a tariff. The market does the same shit every day. All right, man. Sorry. So let's see. Let's see if we can kind of get a scale in right here. I don't know what pumped the market up, but I'm pretty sure it was something. But the market was always going to do this. Actually, let me see if I can try to get a quick short in this. Honestly, I can't chase the ES, and I got to get out of the habit of doing this. You can't chase the ES. You can't chase the ES. You can't chase the ES. You can't chase it. All right. I do think that we get at least a pullback though. Pullback back into this range where they broke out at. So this is definitely a long. The bears are going to have to work super hard. Not only do they have to, I mean, we will probably see bulls take profits here. Price pull back into this range right here. And not only does the bears got to break through this, but they also got to break through this trend line if they're going to be successful, which I highly doubt that they will. I mean, you got people that are short right here that did not close out of this, and they're trapped. And there's going to be a lot of people sitting here waiting for that pullback, and they're going to get out of their sell positions, which is going to buy, obviously, and we're going to see probably a move back up. So price action is definitely is basically God on ES. You deviate from price action on this instrument, you might as well just give your money to the market. You might as well. Because that's exactly what you'll be doing. All right, so Nasdaq, the Nascrack, just like in NQ fashion, it misses my target instead of filling it. In pure NQ fashion. She can't stand. It's like, man, I mean, I know I'm gonna have to hit some of his targets, but I don't have to hit all of them. That's the Nasdaq. Oh, did you? And this is what Alfred is talking about. I mean, hold on, let me see something real quick. Damn, gold is like that. Shit. If I held my position, I just would have got my targets filled in this gold position. Just would have got it filled. Oh shit, it's already 10:30. Well, we're getting that pullback that I was talking about. But like I said, this ain't a short. It's not a short at all. It's a pullback. It's not as short as a pullback. It's people taking profits. Shit, don't we all, man? To be a part of that is and this is what, I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but yeah, this is the system that I like using for options, and I like to look at the gamma levels because obviously I don't trade options anymore, but obviously paying attention to the Qs and SPY on this platform, it really lets me know where the institutions are placing their orders. So all right, so let's put that right there. Okay. But all right, guys, that's it for me. That's it for me. We'll come back tonight. I think tonight's going to be the last stream for this week. We don't got the market's not open on Friday. It ain't open Friday. So, unfortunately, tonight's going to probably be the last stream for tonight, but we'll see what Powell does. Obviously, he's going to upset the markets. I mean, we're going to probably see a big move in either direction. So we're definitely going to be looking forward to that. The program is called Black Box Stocks. Black Box Stocks. It's a decent program. Its best features is dark pools. It really specializes in dark pools, and let you know. I mean, obviously, it's like any of the other option tools, but I feel like it really what separates it from the other ones is that it's focused on the dark pools. It puts the dark pool levels on the chart, so you don't have to market yourself. The gamma levels is obviously really good, and then they have this indicator, which I mean, it's a proprietary indicator for them, but it's basically just an indicator where it shows you where it kind of gives you signals of where you could go long and you could go short. It's called go, no go. Or Alfred, if you're still listening to it, make sure you have this indicator on your chart too, if you're going to trade options. It kind of tells you, hey, go, no go, go. So, I mean, it's straight, but obviously you don't want to trade like that. But all right, guys, we'll come back later on tonight and we'll look for more ways to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out.